Rolling.
Rolling.
Hi guys, I'm Ramon Bautista. I'm a perfectly straight man. We will go to a convenience store to buy some men's magazine for our friend Mads Adrias. She's a female.
Yes, where are we now?
We are here in Kyoto, Japan, the capital of Japan.
Go, go.
The Han Dynasty. This is historical house. This is where a ninja fought samurai to the death.
This spot.
This spot. That sign it's called in Japanese translation is Ninja Samurai Fight Team.
Yes.
Street. Look at
Okay.
the cone. Okay. The family mart. Very wholesome family mart for the whole family. Let's check out the magazines here at Family Mart. As you can see, magazines.
Kasama na konti. Dahan-dahan.
And of course, this is a Family Mart.
Don't use the double sign between E and H different in pronounces.
Family Mart magazine. In Japanese, they open their magazine right-hand drive. So we start here.
There. Who's that? She looks friendly.
She looks friendly, outgoing, and talk the town.
Saan yung Arashi?
As for Arashi.
Ito. Yan. Yan, at saka, ito rin. Yan.
Yan, yun yung wig.
Hindi. Ito rin siya, yan.
Pareho lang to eh.
Arashi lahat yan, tol. Yan, Arashi rin yan.
Yun na puro Arashi oh. Mats magsawa ka, hayop. Because we love you. Ayun no, Miojo.
Miojo.
Pipili natin lahat to.
Oo, regalo mo yan. Doon ko. Stylist mo yun eh. Diyan niya kinukuha yung style mo.
Wala akong pera, no? Mahal na to.
Hindi, punta tayo dun sa tahimik na area. Sa may ice creaman. Discuss mo yung binili mo.
We're shy to the Japanese people. We will discuss a magazine here.
Yung the ice cream section.
Yes, it's the ice cream section, so it's cool. These guys are the Arashi boy band members, formerly known as F4. Okay, their album is Hey Say Jump and Kiss. Yes, very popular in Japan, very big.
Look, there. What are they doing?
They're doing manly pose. Men's no. Men's no. April edition. Very new. This is TV Life magazine. #1 TV magazine in Japan. Arashi boys again. They say Arashi. This man.
That's Ono.
Ono.
That's Mads'
Matt's
favorite.
favorite crush.
Yes.
Ono means #1.
Ono.
Ono. Okay, it's Ono again.
Okay, so buy it. Go to the Rashi.
Nangingin sila, kahit magbasa sila, nahihirapan sila, diba?
Oh. Sige, subukan mo nga. To go.
Arashi.
Okay.
Yeah, Arashi.
Okay, let's buy it.
Buy it.
You're buying 5
5 different
magazines of Arashi. That is the most manliest thing to do here in Japan. Okay. Be a man, buy it.
Mahal na ito.
Basta.
Ito tolo. Mads, my love for you.
Hindi, babayaran niya yung iba dyan.
It's limited to
Babayaran niya yung iba dyan.
288. That's the cheapest magazine here. This one only.
Hindi, yun.
Tsaka ako na 280.
Itim na supat ba?
100. Sorry.
300 na yun.
Thank you. 62K, bye. Thank you.
Ano? Bayaran mo.
Ay, bili ko lahat to.
Oo.
Mag-share ka naman.
Sige. Merong konti. Merong konti, G. Yan o. Oh. Yan, Mads. Yun yung contribution ko.
Ina.
Hindi, babayaran niya sa iyo pagdating sa Pilipinas.
Basta pera ko, wala na akong pampasalubong, no?
Kaya mo yan. 1.8 lang mo.
Oo, 1,000 na lang pera ko.
Ano yan? Napaka chivalrous ng ginawa mo. Bumili ka ng anim na magazine
Wala na akong Philippine peso.
ng cover Arashi. Thank you. Okay. Ano masasabi mo doon sa ginawa mo?
Okay naman. Magazine na lalaki.
Pero alam ko, gusto natin yung nandun eh.
Bigay mo kay Mads to, ha?
Ito, gusto ko to eh.
Ano ba yan?
Mukhang mabait eh. Ito na eh, ito yung mga mukhang mababait eh. Lahat sila. Okay. Gawin mo kay Mads.
Ano?
Mahal mo siya.
Mads, thank you.